Hello and welcome to this new series. This new series will explore feature by feature comparison between Tableau and Power BI. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new videos. Hello and welcome to another video of Tableau versus Power BI, and in this video we are going to discuss how can we add additional information to the tooltip of Tableau and Power BI. Now let's jump on the Tableau. Now in Tableau, let's say I have this visual, and let me create a new visual here, a very simple visual I'm going to create. So let me take brand from the item and net sales. Okay, so I can search for net sales, and I got my sales. Okay, very simple visual. And now if I go, you can see that I'm seeing some information here. Now I want some additional information. I want some more thing on tooltip. Let's say I also want gross, or I want margin percentage. So let me drag discount over here on the tooltip. There is an icon for tooltip here. You drag it. Now you drag another one and you start seeing. Now Tableau's tooltip is much more than that. But I'm going to come back and tell you once I do this on Power BI, because the feature which I'm going to show here, the same will not be comparable with Power BI. So right now what we have done is almost similar thing. You will be able to do it on Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI here. Now here I go to the Power BI again. I need to create a visual, so I go and drag brand. So I go to item table, I drag a brand here, and then I go here and in the major I drag a net here. So I got brand, I got net, and you can see here I am only seeing one value. Now here I make it as a bar visual. Now what happens here in the table visual, if you go to the properties, you see this tooltip. Okay, there's a property, but if you go here you don't have any tooltip additional. So only visuals where you can do it, like bar visual, pie visual, here we can do it. So we have to make it as a bar visual. So there is another something known as tooltip page, which we'll discuss in some other video. There we can also add these sheets as a tooltip, so that also is a separate discussion. But now once you do this, you have here like tooltip, you have a margin percentage you can drag here, and discount percentage you can drag here, and now you have additional information here. So same way we can have it. Now I can go to the tooltip area, back again here in the tooltip area, and then like label, text color, text value, size, bold, italic, underline, font family, background, transparency. But there is no customization here with each. So basically if I change something, let's say if I increase text size to 12, 14, it's going to increase for everything. It's not that I make something bold and something italic, and that's not going to happen. If I make it bold, so everything is bold. Okay, so it's not specific to one particular thing. Okay, now let's look at Tableau's tooltip. Now so to modify that, I can click here, and you see here that there are a few things out here. Now I go and make it as a bold. Okay, and then what I can do is I take it out and put it into this line, then I give a comma in between, and then let's say I go give comma here. I don't give comma here, and then I again go and put a comma here and delete here, and let me put margin percentage as little bit font above this one in a different font, bigger font, but let's say italic and underline, and let me also change its color like this. Okay, and then I say okay, and then I go here. You see, now just to be remain comparable, I can also make this as a bar visual also. Now when I make it, now this is something which it lost the property, so I have to go again and I make it bold. I comma delete, comma delete, margin 14 aggregate, and I can have that before also, no problem in that. 14 italic, underline, color change. Okay, now this is something we cannot do in Power BI. The maximum stuff I can do here is I can create a concatenated measure basically. So what I can do here is I can create a concatenated measure, and I can use it, let's say values, and I say margin colon ampersand margin percentage ampersand unichar 10 to make sure that it comes in different lines, and then I can say discount percentage ampersand. Ampersand is to connect the strings, discount percentage. So what we are saying, margin ampersand unichar, go to the next line, discount percentage, and this one. So we are trying to create a measure values so that we can have some kind of custom tooltip what we want. Again, we don't have much control over a font and all those, as you know. I'm going to remove all these and let me only put values here, and you can see values margin in this one now. But still the thing is, it's displaying the, first of all, the values is displaying, it's not going to go margin and percentage. I can do my own formatting, but yes, the formatting under our control is we can only put this margin and discount in different lines or in same line, and all those we can do, but not much under our control. Means color and everything is going to be single for all of them. So we cannot have an apple to apple comparison here. Now there is something more here. We have a tooltip page here in Power BI, and here in the Tableau, in the tooltip, we do have an insert. We can insert the sheets. Now here one sheet means one visual, and there we have a complete page which can have multiple visual. So but that we will try out in another video. So do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Get involved, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.